IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you think you drink enough water every day? Band 5. Answer.
I think I drink enough water, but sometimes I forget. When I'm busy, I just drink coffee or tea and not much water.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic short responses. Lacks development. Lexical resource. Simple words. Drink, forget, busy. Grammar. Limited structures, mostly present tense. Pronunciation. Understandable but plain. Typical of a Band 5. Communicates meaning but with limited range and detail. Band 7.5 Answer.
I try to drink enough water, though I often fall short, especially on hectic days. I know hydration is important, but I tend to prioritize other drinks like coffee.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth and logical response. Lexical resource. Uses varied vocabulary, falls short. Hydration, prioritize. Grammar, mix of complex and simple sentences. Pronunciation, clear and natural rhythm. Typical of a Band 7.5. More natural and flexible, though not flawless. Band 9 Answer.
Yes, I usually make a conscious effort to stay hydrated throughout the day. I carry a water bottle with me wherever I go, which helps me maintain a healthy routine, even when I'm busy.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, extended, and well-organized. Lexical resource, precise and natural. Make a conscious effort, maintain a healthy routine. Grammar, fully controlled with complex structures. Pronunciation, clear, natural intonation and stress. Typical of a Band 9, fully fluent, sophisticated, and idiomatic. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.